Nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant converts heat energy generated from nuclear reactor to electrical energy. Note: in nuclear power plant, heat energy is generated from a nuclear reactor using nuclear fission. If you analyze an electricity generation by different power sources in India, then you will see that the nuclear power contribution is only 3%. Nuclear power plants are very similar to coal-fired power plants. It converts water into steam using heat from the nuclear reactor to drive the turbine. Nuclear power plant consists of following: nuclear reactor, steam generator, steam line, turbine, generator, transformer, feeding pump, condenser, cooling tower. Now, let's learn working of nuclear power plant. Nuclear reactor is a key component of a nuclear power plant, which is the heat source. Here, fission reactions of uranium produce the heat within a reactor core. Note: uranium-235 is used as the main fuel in nuclear reactors. Heat is used to generate high-pressure steam from water in a steam generator. The high-pressure and high-temperature steam is supplied to the steam turbine through a steam line. Note: here heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Turbine shaft and blades of turbine are rotated at high speed because of high pressure and high temperature steam. Steam turbine, which is coupled with generator, produces electricity with the help of electromagnet. Note: here mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Generator is connected to the transformer to step up low voltage to high voltage. This high voltage electricity is transferred through power lines to various locations or substations. Note: low pressure and low temperature steam, which is coming out of steam turbine, goes through condenser and gets converted into water, which is reused again through feed pump. This helps in continuous working of nuclear power plant. The cold liquid is supplied at the condenser with the help of a cooling tower. The heated up water from the condenser gets sprayed in the cooling tower, which induces a natural air draft, and sprayed water loses the heat. This is how a colder liquid is always provided at the condenser inlet. Typical nuclear power plants achieve efficiencies around 33 to 37%, comparable to fossil-fueled power plants. Advantage of nuclear energy is: it has zero carbon emission. It has high initial cost, but relatively cheap to produce energy. But nuclear power still has a substantial impact on the environment, due to mining, or uranium has a risk of nuclear accidents. That's why it has strict safety measures.